Imagine you're working on a project with 15 different documents, specs, meeting notes, competitor reports, and more. Months later, someone asks you a simple question, and you spend an hour digging through folders, searching for that one paragraph you vaguely remember. The information exists, but it's scattered and disconnected, making it nearly impossible to find what you need without rereading everything. This is a common struggle for knowledge workers everywhere. The frustration isn't about lack of information, it's about not having it organized or accessible when you need it most. This is where the story begins, with a problem that desperately needs a smarter solution. But what if you could solve this chaos in just 30 minutes? Using a one-page idea from Andrej Karpathy, an AI code editor called Cursor, and the free note-taking app Obsidian, you can create a personal knowledge base that organizes itself. No manual wiki writing required. In this video, we'll walk through how this system works, how you can set it up, and why it changes everything about managing information. Let's dive into the journey from scattered documents to a self-maintaining, structured wiki. Andrej Karpathy is a name that resonates in the AI world. He was a founding member at OpenAI, led Tesla's AI and autopilot vision team, and is renowned for making complex technical ideas accessible. When Karpathy shares an idea, the AI community pays attention. Recently, he released a short document called LLM Wiki, MD, not a product, but a blueprint for using AI agents to build and maintain personal knowledge bases. This simple markdown file is the foundation for the system we're exploring. So, what exactly is LLM Wiki? Most AI tools let you upload documents and ask questions, but they forget everything after each query. Every time you ask, the AI starts from scratch. LLM Wiki flips this approach. Instead of searching raw documents every time, the AI reads your files once and builds a structured wiki, a collection of markdown files, summaries, product pages, and more, all interlinked. When you add new documents, the AI updates the wiki, keeping everything consistent and connected. LLM Wiki is built on 3 essential layers. First, there's the raw sources folder. This is where you drop your original documents, like PDFs, markdown files, or transcripts. The AI reads from this folder but never changes your originals. Second, the wiki folder is where the AI creates and maintains all the pages, cross-references, and glossary entries. Third, the schema file, CLAUDE.md, acts as the rulebook, defining page types, workflows, and formatting rules. This structure keeps everything organized and efficient. The system revolves around 3 main operations: ingest, query, and lint. Ingest means you add a document and tell the AI to process it. The AI reads, summarizes, updates pages, and logs changes. Query lets you ask questions, with the AI pulling answers from the wiki, not the raw files. Lint is like a health check. The AI scans for contradictions, outdated info, or missing links, keeping your knowledge base clean and reliable. These operations make the wiki dynamic and always up to date. Setting up your self-maintaining wiki is surprisingly simple. Using Cursor, an AI-powered code editor, you start by dropping Karpathy's LLM-Wiki-MD into a new project. With just a few prompts, Cursor creates the necessary folders, writes the schema, and sets up starter wiki pages. The process is fast and hands-off. AI does the heavy lifting, mapping the idea to your workflow and building the foundation for your knowledge base. The magic happens with just 3 prompts. First, you ask what the idea is and how it can help you. Cursor reads the document and tailors the solution to your needs. Next, you ask it to make a plan and create the structure. Cursor builds the folders, writes the schema, and sets up starter pages. Finally, you ask it to set up Obsidian, and everything is configured automatically, no manual setup required. The result is a ready-to-use AI-powered knowledge base. When you clone the repository, you get a clear, organized file structure. There's the original idea document, the schema, a folder for your raw sources, and a wiki folder for the AI-generated knowledge base. Obsidian's configuration files are included, so everything works out of the box. This separation means you never write in the wiki folder. The AI handles all updates, while your original documents remain untouched in the raw folder. Getting started is easy. First, clone the repo and open it in Cursor. The AI reads the schema, and understands the wiki structure. Next, open the same folder in Obsidian, which is already set up with graph view, hotkeys, and sidebar layout. Now, you're ready to drop in your first source document and let the AI do the rest. The process is streamlined, making advanced knowledge management accessible to anyone. To add knowledge, simply drop a document like a product spec, meeting transcript, or web article into the raw folder. Then, type Ingest in Cursor. The AI reads the document, summarizes key points, creates new wiki pages, updates the glossary, and logs every action. You can watch the wiki grow in real time in Obsidian. Each new source makes your knowledge base richer and more interconnected. Once your wiki has content, you can ask questions like, what are the main risks identified across all my sources? The AI reads the structured wiki, compiles an answer, and even offers to save it as a new analysis page. This means your questions don't just get answered, they make the knowledge base smarter and more valuable over time. Every new document you add builds on what came before. The overview page evolves, the glossary expands, and cross-references multiply. After ingesting 10 to 15 sources, you'll start seeing connections and insights you hadn't noticed before. The system compounds knowledge, making it more powerful with each addition. To keep your wiki healthy, run the Lint operation every so often. The AI checks for contradictions, outdated claims, orphan pages, and inconsistent terminology. It reports what it finds and asks which fixes to apply. This keeps your knowledge base accurate, connected, and trustworthy without manual maintenance. This system is a game changer for technical writers, researchers, product managers, students, and anyone building knowledge over time. Specs, research papers, interviews, and even trip planning notes can all be organized, summarized, and cross-referenced automatically. The result is a living, evolving knowledge base tailored to your needs. Let's look at a technical writer's first week. On day 1, you ingest onboarding docs, and the AI creates product pages, personas, and a glossary. Day 2, you add an engineer interview, and the AI updates features and flags conflicts. Day 3, you ingest competitor docs and get a comparison analysis. By the end of the week, you have 15 to 20 wiki pages, a living glossary, and a graph view showing all connections without writing a single page yourself. To get the most out of your AI-powered wiki, ingest one source at a time and stay involved. Read summaries, guide the AI, and ask follow-up questions. Save your best questions as analysis pages. Use Obsidian's graph view to visualize connections. Edit the schema if you need new page types. Always check the glossary before writing. And most importantly, let the AI handle the grunt work. Focus on finding good sources and asking meaningful questions. Traditional wikis often fail because maintenance is tedious and never-ending. Updating cross-references, keeping summaries current, and linking new pages is boring and repetitive. As a result, wikis go stale, people stop trusting them, and eventually, no one uses them. The real challenge isn't gathering knowledge, it's the bookkeeping. And that's exactly what AI excels at. With AI, the cost of wiki maintenance drops to nearly zero. The AI never gets tired, can update dozens of files in one pass, and keeps everything consistent. It notices contradictions, updates glossaries, and maintains the index. Your job shifts to the interesting part, finding good sources and asking the right questions. The AI handles the rest, making your knowledge base reliable and always up to date. Karpathy's idea is inspired by Vannevar Bush's 1945 vision of the Memex, a personal knowledge store with associative trails between documents. While the web became public and noisy, the LLM Wiki is private, curated, and deeply personal. For the first time, we have a tool that can maintain these connections automatically, bringing Bush's vision closer to reality than ever before. In summary, building a self-maintaining knowledge base with AI is not just possible, it's practical and transformative. You no longer have to worry about tedious maintenance or lost information. With tools like LLM Wiki, Cursor, and Obsidian, your knowledge grows richer and more connected with every document you add. The future of knowledge management is here, and it's powered by AI. Now, you can focus on what matters: learning, creating, and making connections that last.